Flooding in Texas Township near Kalamazoo has been a problem for more than a year. Two lakes with no outlet have risen dramatically during that time, threatening and flooding homes in the area. Now the State Department of Environmental Quality is considering a permit to pump water out of the lakes, and they hosted a public hearing about the issue tonight. 24-hour News 8's Brady Gillum joining us live now from outside of that hearing with what's on the table. Brady.
Well, Brian, there really are two sides to this story. Flooding has pit neighborhood against neighborhood. One neighborhood wanting to pump water downstream, while the other neighborhood is worried about what will happen when and if that water comes their way.
So we're here tonight because the Charter Township of Texas has proposed to temporarily pump water.
Hundreds of people packed a public DEQ meeting tonight. The environmental agency is deciding whether to issue a permit to allow water to be pumped from flooded Eagle and Crooked Lakes downstream into neighboring wetlands and Bass Lake.
There's a steady climb in groundwater elevations to where some gauges are at their all-time high.
One of the considerations the DEQ has to consider is whether pumping water into Bass Lake could adversely affect those downstream, which includes endangered species.
I heard some talk about let's save some trees. I really don't give a about any trees.
But opponents who live downstream say they will suffer additional flooding, invasive species, and the loss of endangered species.
And I would hope that those of us who value property rights would understand that the downstream effects must also be mitigated. To pretend as though the taking of one party's property in order to mitigate the negative effects on another is not the way that we do things here.
Regardless of the outcome, the final decision may become a win-lose proposition of sorts.
If the permit is denied, then our property will be protected, while Crooked and Eagle Lake residents will continue to suffer. If the permit is approved, then the natural beauty of Bass Lake and wetlands, as well as our personal property, will be destroyed.
Now, the next step in the process is a 10-day comment period, which starts tomorrow. After that, the DEQ will make its decision. Reporting live in Texas Township, Brady Gillum, 24-hour News 8.